Hello, today we are going to take one of the most important topic of clinical research, vulnerable populations. Now, first we understand what is the vulnerable populations. The individuals who may have limited ability to take their own decisions, or the people are incapable of to protect their own interest, so they are count in as a vulnerable populations. So manufacturers are behind they are for the incorporated as vulnerable populations. Now, examples of the vulnerable populations: children, elder people, pregnant or lactating women, prisoners, military people, or socially or economically disadvantaged people, or mentally impaired people, cognitively disabled individuals, or higher critical ill patients. They are students. They are included into the vulnerable populations. Now, students, why they are included into the vulnerable population? Because of the high risk of the coercion from the higher authority, are incapable of taking their own decision into the study. Elder, they are incapable to take the freely informed consent, their own decision also. Now the military people, high hierarchical pressure. Now children, incapable of taking freely informed consent. So child assent required, and parent or guardian consent is required. Now, the critical ill patient are incapable of taking their own decision due to participation, ability of take. So they are included in the vulnerable populations, pregnant women, higher risk to the fetus or infants, or elder people. They are commodities, multiple commodities, high chances of adverse event. So these people are incorporated into the vulnerable populations. Now, this safeguards of vulnerable populations. What is the safeguards? First one is that additionally IRB review advance informed consent process, and by way of incorporate of the LAR into the ISAP process, and sometimes fairly selection of the participants, and special regulatory compliance. Now the key principles of the vulnerable populations. Now the justice, beneficence, and respect. Justice means fairly selection of the subjects. Beneficence means maximize the benefits and minimize the risk. So this is all about vulnerable populations.